Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you Fiverr review with all the benefits. Alright, my name is Andy here. I'm in the internet marketing since the last 2 years, and on my YouTube channel, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. So if you want to keep learning about internet marketing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, let's talk a freelance service marketplace, Fiverr. So Fiverr is a platform that helps employers find a talent for their projects or their tasks. Fiverr wants our Great User Experience Award. The service facilitates meetings between employers and freelancers who can help them in brand building or their marketing efforts, providing them with access to a vast pool of highly qualified freelancers. The platforms allows entrepreneurs to discover freelancers by having them, come in contact with service sellers in 3 different levels. This way, they get to meet freelancers with the ideal skill sets and rates who will suit their needs. These service levels allows business owners to either expand or narrow their search according to the freelancers level. What's good about the crowdsourcing service is, it's professional of total transparency. Freelancers' profiles can be accessed along with their reviews, and leaving buyers to decide whether they want to hire this freelancer or not. With the system, employers are provided with advanced knowledge on the quality of service they are received from the freelancers. Fiverr is just the right platforms, that employers who needs freelancers for a certain task. You can find just about any product or service you need, all starting at $5. The system works by hosting freelancers, and buyers simply just look up at the best one that would suit for their needs. Common service include logo design, contract writing, and even hiring a virtual assistant. Okay, let's talk about overview of Fiverr benefits. Freelance platform Fiverr offers a lot of benefits to entrepreneurs who require the service of high-level freelancers. So here are some of them. Product categories or search. Products and services offered through the platform are categorized in 12 major groups. There are graphic design, writing and translation, music and audio, online marketing, video animation, advertising, and a lot more other categories there. Every category is further broken down into subcategories. Buyer can explore these subcategories or simply search for the specific keywords. Even though the price starts at $5, enhanced service or faster deliveries are available with higher price. A boom of freelancers or sellers. Many freelancers have been switching to Fiverr because it's low fees that they charge, which makes hunting for freelance work a lot easier. Virtually anyone can sell on the platform, which does not require any complex technical know-how. Freelancers who have knowledge of being creative can earn money using Fiverr. Another good thing is that freelancers actually get paid for doing what they love to do, making work a lot more fun for them. They also get more exposure as buyers search for them and not the other way around. Transparent freelancer information. On Fiverr, employers are able to see all the necessary information about the freelancer. This includes the ratings, feedback, number of job or gigs that completed, and cancellation incidents. This offers confidence to buyers, knowing that the kind of workers or freelancers that they are potentially collaborating with. Filter seller search. Fiverr has 3 sellers level aside from the new sellers level. So these are the freelancers who have getting job completion status and ratings. They come with the different prices as well as depending on their skills level and performance reviews. These allow employers to find the right freelancers who fits the requirement and their budgets. Secure personal details. When entrepreneurs hire freelancers on Fiverr, their personal details are kept protected. The platform only gives out information that assists seller in learning more about the potential employer. Furthermore, the service does not share anybody's details, both buyers or sellers, with any third party. Everyone's privacy is protected and allowing them to conduct the transaction with peace of mind. Protected buyer payment. All financial transactions happen on Fiverr regardless of the payment method. The platform assures users that their financial data are safe from prying eyes. So this gives them the assurance that their information does not get compromised. Payment can be made through PayPal, credit card, or other forms of electronic payments. Private communications. During the hiring, the collaboration process, Fiverr provides avenue for buyer and seller to communicate effectively and privately. Both parties can chat, in a secure platform to ensure that project details remain between buyer and seller only. So, if you like to try for Fiverr for your project or for your business, you can find the link in the description below. So, Fiverr is gonna help you tremendously, especially if you wanted to scale up your business. You will need a freelancer or a virtual assistant that help your business grow. Alright friends, so in this video I have told you about the Fiverr review with all the benefits. So if you want to build a successful affiliate marketing business in professional way, you can find the link on the description below. And if the information in this video is helpful, please like this video. It will help the algorithm a little bit. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, you can also comment below. And please watch my other 2 videos here. So these videos will help you to get more knowledge about internet marketing. You have a lovely day and I'll see you in the next video.